Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Loka Seva Gurukulam, free online classes. Have you had your lunch? Okay, or breakfast? So you are all in good spirits, right? Okay, will you sit straight? Okay, just half an hour to finish the lesson. So be attentive. Don't look here and there, because our topic is about exponents and powers. So you should have good powers. Okay. So what is that we have learnt previously? Let us see one by one. Exponents, its meaning and applications. What is the meaning? Raising a given number into powers. Suppose you have a 2 to the power of 5. So 2 into. So this product of 2 in 5 terms is briefly written as 2 to the power of 5. So this is a brief form of this product. So what is this 2 called? It is called base. What is this 5 called? Exponent or power. Come on, can you give one more example? Yes, 3 into 3, correct? It will be 3 cube. What is 3 cube means what? 27. So instead of writing 3 times, we write it as to the power of 3. If the power is 2, we call it as square. Power is 3 cube. Then you must write to the power of 4, to the power of 5, to the power of n, like that. Okay. And it has got good applications. Distance between sun and the moon. Distance between sun and the earth. All of them can be written in a very short way. We are going to see next. Okay. And one more thing we have seen about negative exponents. Suppose here, for example, a to the power of minus m is there. That is called negative exponent. Suppose you have 3 to the power of minus 4. Here 4 is the exponent or power, minus 4. 3 is called a base. So what is the multiplicative inverse? 1 by 3 to the power of 4. And similarly, if you have 2 to the power of minus 5, also equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 5. That is what the law says. A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m, where a to the power of minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power of m. But most important, a should be a integer, non-zero integer. M also should be a non-zero integer. No, m may be 0 also, or any integer. 0 and any integers. But a must be compulsorily should be a integer. So that is also we have seen in the previous class. And large numbers like 1, 4, 2, 5 in expanded form. How to write expanded form? You must count. So 5 is in the unit place. So write it as 10 to the power of 0. Then 2 in the tens place. 2 into 10 to the power of 1. Then you have 4. That is in the hundredth place. 10 to the power of 2. And 1. That is in the thousandth place. That's how you write in expanded form. Similarly, if this expanded form is given, you can write in the simple form also. That also you have studied, correct? And one more thing is laws of exponents. LAWS, not LOSS. What is LOSS? Losing. These are the laws. So first law says a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Similarly, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn, and a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Still there are two more. See, you have a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. That is also one law. And another one is a to the power of a by b to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Correct? That's also law. One more you can have. Sixth law. ab to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. These are called laws of indices or laws of exponents. So these are the things we have studied in the previous class. Now we'll come to home assignment. How many have done it? Okay, some of you have done it. Very good. Very simple they are. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So exponent must be positive. Means power must be positive. So here you are given with, you can use the law. What is the law? A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. That is the law, you have to use it. So you have minus 4 to the power of 5 by minus 4 to the power of 8 means, come on, what is a? Minus 4 to the power of m minus n. What is m? 5. What is n? 8. So you will have minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 8 how much? Minus 3. They have told you to write in positive exponents. Exponent must be positive. Now what you got is minus. What will you do now? It will be minus. So to make it positive, you must find the multiplicative. So this will be minus 4 to the power of 3. That is the answer. Correct? Because you want positive exponent, minus 4 cube. That is the answer. Got it? So that is the first question. Coming to, note it down. Okay. Now coming to second question. Second is 1 by 2 cube square. What is the formula? A to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. One formula. We will try that. So this is 1 by 2 cube square. That is 1 by 2 cube square is nothing but 1 square by 2 to the power of 6. So 1 by 2 to the power of 6 is the answer. 2 to the power of 6 means how much? 2 multiplied by 6 times. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So 1 by 64 is the answer. How we got 6 here? 2 cube square. So 2 into 3 into 2, that is 2 to the power of 6. This is how you got it. And numerator you have 1 square. And coming to this multiplicative universe. A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Correct? So this will be 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2 means 3 to the power of 2. 3 square. You are asked to express the answer in terms of positive exponents. So 3 square is the answer. What is the value of 3 square? 9. So you got it? Okay. Now we come to next question. 2 to the power of minus 5, formula is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n, where m and n are, come on, positive integers. A is a non-zero integer. So this will be 2 to the power of minus 5 by 2 to the power of minus 6 is equal to 2 to the power of minus 5 minus of minus 6. M minus n. N is how much? Here m is minus 5, n is minus 6. So that minus 6 should be subtracted. So you have 2 to the power of minus 5 plus 6. Minus into minus. So 6 minus 5 how much? 2 to the power of 1. Answer is 2. They are asked in powers, no. You write as 2 to the power of 1 only. That is the answer. What you have done? A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So minus of minus become plus 6. You get the answer. Coming to this. This formula is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. You have to add the powers. What is the base there? Base is minus 4. So minus 4 to the power of 5 into minus 4 to the power of minus 10. Are you taking down? Okay. Speed. Have developed speed. Minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 10. M plus n. N is minus 10 here. Here m is 5. N is minus 10. Here m is equal to 5. N is equal to minus 10. So minus 4 to the power of m plus n. M is 5. N is minus 10. So minus 4 to the power of minus 5. Correct? They asked you to write in a positive exponent. Now it is minus. So you write it like this. So this can be written as it is minus is there, multiplicative inverse. Minus 4 to the power of 5. That is the answer. So how you got it? This is the another formula. 1 a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. That is the formula. Got it? Very nice. So this is the answers for the home assignment. Noted all? Now we will see today's topic. So we will recall all the formulas. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, where a is a non-zero integer and m and n are integers. It may be 0 also. Second law, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Third law, a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to ab to the power of m. Fourth law, a by b to the power of m equals a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Fifth law, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And one more you can add, as you already studied, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. That is called multiplicative inverse. These are the laws. So depending on the question, you have to apply these laws. Okay. So some more example we'll check. For example, 1 by 8 into 3 to the power of minus 3. This is a question given. What do you mean 1 by 8? 1 by 8 means 2 cube. So 1 by 2 cube into 3 to the power of minus 3, and that will be equal to a 1 by 8 to the power of m is equal to a to the power of minus m. So this becomes 2 to the power of minus 3 into 3 to the power of minus 3. So what shall you do now? When these minus and minus are given, you can write it as 2 into 3 to the power of minus 3, this formula. This is a to the power of m, is b to the power of n m is equal to a b to the power of m. So what is 2 into 3? That is 6. 6 to the power of minus 3. Correct? Or you can also write it as 1 by 6 cube. That is also okay. That is positive integer if you want. Positive exponent. So we have used two formulas here. First formula is a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to ab to the power of m. That you have used. Second one, this sixth law also you have used. Correct? So that is the first example. Then we come to second example. Minus 3 to the power of 4 into 5 by 3 to the power of 4. How to do it? As usual, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. One formula. Second formula is a by b to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Now we will do one thing. This minus 3 can be written as, this is a formula given, problem given. While taking down, you must be careful, you should not change. Okay, be very careful. So this can be written like this: minus 1 into plus 3, correct, to the power of 4. Both mean the same, correct? Into 5 by 3 to the power of 4. And this will be minus 1 to the power of 4 means how much? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. AB to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. That is the law. So this we will write it as minus 1 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4. This will be 5 to the power of 4, the second law, by 3 to the power of 4. What is minus 1 to the power of 4 means what? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 1 only. Correct? So this is 1. So you have 3 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. These two cancels. And beautiful answer. 5 to the power of 4 is the answer. So big question has come down to so small answer. Alright? So first you use this is only one point you must note. Okay, and even you can expand and get the answer also, there is nothing wrong. Only minus 3 are written as minus 1 into 3 because of this formula. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 4 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 4 times. Minus 1 to minus 1 how much? Plus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So this is plus 1, this is plus 1. Plus 1 into plus 1 is how much? 1 only. So I not written that. So this means 1. Okay, 3 to the power of 4 cancels here. And you can use this law also. Instead of cancelling, you can write use this law also. So this is 3 to the power of 4 by 3 to the power of 4. So we get it as by using the law. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to, I will write by using index class only, 4 minus 4 into 5 to the power of 4. 4 minus 4 is 0 into 5 to the power of 4. What is 3 to the power of 0 is equal to? 1. Answer is 5 to the power of 4. So we have used the index law again. For that, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. That law you have used here. So 1 into 5 to the power of 4 is 5 to the power of 4 is only. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now we will pass on to one more question. Find the value of x such that minus 3 to the power of x plus 1 into minus 3 to the power of 5 is equal to minus 3 to the power of 7. Here base is same. So if base is same, numerator also should be same. So minus 3 to the power of 5 is equal to minus 3 to the power of 7. Here all minus 3 is a base. So numerator will be x plus 1 plus 5. Why do you get plus 5? By the law. What is the law? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. M plus n. So minus 3 to the power of plus you must make x plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 to the power of 7. So here base is same. So powers must be same then. X plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 7. So x plus 6 is equal to 7, or x is equal to 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. So value of x is equal to 1. Now come on, you can check also. Suppose you apply it here. So checking. Why do you check it? Just to find out whether it is correct or not. So minus 3 to the power of x is 1. So 1 plus 1 into minus 3 to the power of 5. How much it will be? Minus 3 to the power of 2 plus 5, 7 is equal to minus 3 to the power of 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, and therefore value of x is equal to 1 is correct. Understood? So shall we pass on to next question? Next one. 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2 is equal to, minus half to the power of minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 to the power of minus 2. So here you must write the laws. What is the law? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m, one law. Second law, a by b to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Correct? And so next step will be, see here, 1 by 3 to the power of minus 2 will be by using this law. 1 to the power of minus 2 by 3 to the power of minus 2 minus 1 to the power of minus 3 by 2 to the power of minus 3. divided by 1 to the power of minus 2 by 4 to the power of minus 2. Now, as there is minus here, you can write the inverse. So, 1 to the power of minus 2 by 2 to the power of can be written as, this goes to numerator. The first law, multiplicate inverse. So, 3 square by 1 square by 2 cube by 1 cube divided by 4 square by 1 square. Correct? So, what is 3 square by 1 square? Is 3 square only. 2 cube by 1 cube is 2 cube only. 1 cube is 1 only. Divided by 4 square by 1 square is 4 square only. Correct? So, you have what is 3 square? That is 9. What is 2 cube? That is 8. Divided by 16. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 by 16. So, answer is 1 by 16. Or you want to write in powers, 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4. Correct? 2 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So, 16 is nothing but 2 to the power of 4. Followed? Only one point you must note here is 1 to the power of minus 2 by 3 to the power of minus 2 should be written like this. So, that is the inverse. This is nothing but 3 square by 1 square. That you must note. How you write it? It is by the form help of this a to the power of minus m equals 1 by a to the power of m. That is the law we used. Okay. So, shall we move to next? Okay. Next you will have one more problem. Very simple. 3 to the power of minus 1, 4 to the power of minus 1, 5 to the power of minus 1, to the power of 0. Here you must have one more formula. A to the power of minus m equals 1 by a to the power of n is the one law. Second one is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Now, how do you write it? 3 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 3. This is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 5 to the power of 0. You can write it directly. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. We know it. But for calculation purpose, take LCM. What is LCM of 3, 4, 5? Is 3 into 4 into 5. No common factor. That is 60. So, LCM is 60. Take LCM 60. 3 ones are 3 20s are. 4 ones are 4 15s are. 5 ones are 5 12s are. To the power of 0. So, 20 plus 15, 35 plus 12, 47 by 60 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 1 is the answer. So, there only you can write 1. But better you do all the steps. Noted? So, what you have done here? Take an LCM. LCM of 3, 4, 5 is 60. Then took the numerator and you got the answer as 1. Okay. Shall we see the home assignment? Okay. We will see the home assignment. First question. Find the value of 3 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 into 2 square. Second question, minus 2 by 3 to the power of minus 2 to the power of 2. Third question, find the value of m such that 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Will come prepared. Now let us, before you close, we will see what Bhagwan Baba says. As is the food, so is the mind. If food is sattvika, simple, without chilies, without salt, then mind also will be calm and quiet. And if as is the mind, so is the thought. So mind is calm and cool, thoughts also will be good. As is the thought, so is the act. So if you eat sattvic food, you will have sattvic thoughts. If you eat rajasic food, you will become rajasic thoughts. If you eat tamasic food, you will get tamasic acts. For example, sattvic, you can give example of Vibhishana in Ramayana. Rajasika is Ravana and tamasika is Kumbhakarna. Okay, what do you want to become? It all depends upon the food. Okay, come prepared for the answers for the questions given in the home assignment. Thank you.